So here I am in York for home of Yorkie Bar, Nestle and many other nice things, and I'm at the race course for York Model Railway Show, which is Saturday, Sunday, Easter Monday every year. It's a show I always enjoy, so let's go in and enjoy the show.
Yeah, so you're not pushing the thing when you pull it. I don't think you're pushing it down at all.
Yeah, that's what it is.
can't hear you. Clearly a problem with that coupling.
Yeah, it's when the book box does that.
Yeah.
The coupling height just needs to be lifted a little bit.
Yeah, a bit better.
Yeah, right, anyway.
We've got the road, yeah?
Yeah, you got it now. Sounds silly, Slam. When you get round, swap those two bogey coaches.
Yeah.
Right down here, it's like road change. Which one's these over?
It's the two bogey coaches, just swap them round.
Well, yeah, well, we had some much going on somewhere. Some different things. No, it does. Well, the thing is, all I did was I managed to print. I've never been successful at temple. I managed to print a single scale 7 So Adrian's come with some stuff to show.
The next session is Copenhagen.
Well, I'm sorry.
That's right, yeah. Expensive, isn't it? Yeah. Although it's not, it's got them left home now, so it's just us two, so it's a deep Have you seen the little movements at the front? If you look in the middle one when the train comes over, that's the Chamber of Secrets, so it's like the general's bathroom in the movies. So it's down into Chamber of Secrets. So when the train goes over, you'll see it flashing. So it's pretty close to the movies. You'll see Narragon, his eyes are like the train is under, flash at him.
Sorry?
The inner is set track, basically. It's left over from my last Well, no, it's just the inner is set track because some trains won't like it. So I've done the outer loop or the streamline. So if things constantly fall off the inner train, I'll put it on the outer. So I found that although these are derailing at the moment, these things, although they're incredibly long, they do actually work around quite tight curves.
Right, okay, well thanks for that. Good info.
Yeah, I was going to say, if you've got 3 foot one, then you're fine. But they are interrelated because if you try and do it narrow, which you could, the problem is you'd have to slew all your fiddly yard roads across, and that would make them shorter.
And you've got 6 lanes there.
8 works well because in theory you can make them all the same length because you have 1 point and then 2 more. So all the tracks are the same length. So if it's on the train, it's always a recipe for disaster if you so in theory, you can.
It's just the obnoxious. It have a mind of its own. So it's now time to pick up a Kit Kat. I definitely don't have a van of them around for back. So that was a great show and I'll definitely be here next year. See you later, Richard.